Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Business Order Solutions. Today, I have an exciting topic for all you internet marketers out there. We're going to be talking about how to use thumbnails for your YouTube video to increase your SEO. And to, obviously make things even better for watching, down below in the description, I have a free video upload checklist that you can access. As well as if you get the checklist, it does come with a little extra bonus of a 10 video training series that you will get access to. So let's dive in. All right, before we get started though, let's quickly go over what thumbnails are and why they are important for YouTube videos. Okay, so the thumbnails are those small preview images that viewers see before they click on your video. They help to grab attention, they entice viewers, and they improve your video's search engine optimization, or SEO. Okay, so you want to design eye-catching thumbnails. Right. So now that we understand the importance of thumbnails, we need to talk about how to design these eye-catching ones. So first, you want to choose a high-resolution image that represents your video's content accurately. So you want to make sure it's clear, it's visually appealing, and it needs to be relevant to what your viewers can expect from your video. Second, consider adding text overlays to your thumbnails. This text should be brief, it should be attention-grabbing, and highlight the value or the key points of your video. So it's important to maintain that consistency in your text style so viewers can easily recognize your videos among others. All right, so now let's look at optimizing thumbnails for SEO. So beyond the aesthetics, thumbnails also play a role in SEO. So here are a few tips to optimize your thumbnails for better search engine rankings. First, include your target keyword in the file name of your thumbnail image. This helps search engines understand the content of your video. Second, keep your thumbnail file size small to ensure fast loading times. Slow loading thumbnails can negatively impact your video's ranking. So additionally, choose a format that works well across different devices and browsers. So up next here, I want to show you a free platform called Canva, if you haven't heard of it, that will allow you to create free eye-catching thumbnails. All right, so here is canva.com. So this is a free platform that you can use to create YouTube thumbnails. Very easy to use. So if you go to create a design, it's going to pop up here and you can see YouTube thumbnail. If it doesn't show, just in the search bar, start typing YouTube and it will pop up. So if you click on that, all right, it's going to open up here, and then you can see that there's all these templates on the side. Now you will notice that some of these templates have this little crown and it says Pro. These ones you can only use if you pay for Canva, but you don't need to pay for Canva to get started with this. So there are lots of templates, as you can see here, that don't require the paid version. So you can click on one of these, all right, and you can change the background color, all right, to a different color. You can move the wording around. You can delete these words, put in your own words. You can delete this picture, put in your own picture, or use a different, picture that Canva has. Okay, so very basic, straightforward to use. So again, start with the free version. Down the road, if you want to upgrade to the paid version, that's a choice you can make further down the road. Maybe in another video, I will do a more in-depth tutorial of how to use Canva and all the features. But for now, that will get you started. Okay, so I will make sure that I put a link to canva.com in the description below. As well, don't forget there's the free upload checklist that is in the description as well. All right, so this will help you with providing you the best chances of success with getting your videos to rank. All right, so that's all for today's video on using thumbnails to increase SEO for your YouTube videos. I hope you found this information valuable and that the checklist will be a useful tool for your video uploads as well. Again, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more internet marketing tips and tricks. As always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. If you actually want more insight into Canva, leave me a message and I can, talk to you about that. Okay. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.